Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making over 2 stages some nice fried chicken feet. And I was able to get these chicken feet from one of our budget butchers here in Toowoomba. Had to buy them frozen, so I've just taken them out. I haven't bothered defrosting them, but what I am going to do quickly is see these sharp nails on here. I'm just going to cut all these nails off and probably just sort of trim them about there, and then I'm just going to throw them in my pot here behind this one, and then we're going to simmer them first before we fry them. Alright, they're pretty easy to cut off. I can't, like I say, I can tend to cut this whole tip bit off. Just easy peasy. Yep, and just into the pot. Alright, I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you in a sec. Alrighty, once I've got all those chicken feet trimmed in my pot there, well, I've got my chopping board out. I've just got some fresh ginger here, a big knob. I'm going to use about half that. And I'm just going to slice that. I'm not going to bother peeling it. So this is going to be my main flavouring while these are simmering. So it's going to be very ginger forward. And I'm just going to throw those in. Along with, this is optional, I've got about 3 dried red chilies. I'm just going to crunch them a bit, not actually cut them up, just crunch them up a bit. I've got a fresh kaffir lime leaf here from my own garden. Just going to scrunch that up a bit, throw that in. I've also got a fresh bay leaf, again from my garden. So I'm trying to utilise the flavours out there. I did have some store-bought spring onion or scallion, but I must have used that for something else and I'm not going back out again. But you can of course add that spring onion. Probably the only other thing I'm going to add, I've got some star anise. I'm just going to add probably like one whole one and 2 halves into that. I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking wine, just a good slug of that, probably a cup. I've got some soy sauce. I'm going to add about half a cup. It's about half of the Chinese cooking, about half the amount of the Chinese cooking wine. It's coming out a bit slower, but that's plenty. You don't have to be too pedantic about that. Close enough's good enough. Alright, I'm just going to top this up with some water, get it on my stove, get it to a boil, and then I'm going to slowly simmer those for probably about 2 hours. Alrighty guys, it's a couple of hours later. I'm just going to strain off my chicken feet in the sink here. I'm just going to let them sit there, drain a bit, and cool down. Alrighty guys, so I've just let those chicken feet cool down now as they've strained. I've just made here a very simple batter. I've got half corn flour, half plain flour, and just some white pepper and salt seasoning, and I've just made the batter using beer. Alright. Alrighty, I've just got my first batch out of the fryer. I've got another batch frying as we speak. But yeah, they look pretty good. Pretty appetizing. Let's try one. Yummo. Absolutely delicious. That batter's nice and crispy on the outside. Yeah, that sort of gelatinous, yummy stuff that sort of surrounds the bones of the feet is absolutely delicious, and it's really taken on the flavour of the ginger. Can really taste it, the star anise. Yum, it's just really yummy and very moreish. Alright, well I better get on with tending to the next batch. I think it's about ready to come out as well. Thanks for watching this video, really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, can I ask that you hit that subscribe button, or at least maybe share the video, or leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Any sort of action at all would be greatly appreciated. Alright guys, I will see you all next time.